Imagine converting potential clients in LinkedIn into warm leads in just 3 days, completely automated. We built an AI agent that does that. Look, if you are doing LinkedIn outreach manually, you already know the struggle. You are spending hours visiting profiles and writing personalized messages. And most of us rush through this without getting any result. So here is what we built: an AI agent that automates outreach while maintaining the same conversion rate. Instead of hitting people with sales pitches, it follows this smart 3-day psychology sequence. On day 1, it simply visits their profile. They get that notification that you visited their profile. On day 2, it engages with their latest post, but not with some generic comment. It actually reads what they shared and responds intelligently. Now the person is familiar with your name. On day 3, it sends a connection request with a personalized message. By the time they get your connection request, you are already familiar with them, not a stranger trying to sell something. The entire system runs on make.com with Google Sheets as your database and Unipile for LinkedIn automation. One setup, this agent processes leads 24/7 on complete autopilot. So let me show you how exactly this works. So guys, as said, we have developed this entire AI agent on make.com. So here you can see we have one scenario for the main AI agent and 5 tools associated with this main agent. So before going deep dive, I'll tell you the purpose of each tools connected with the main agent. So this is the first tool come in action. This is to scrape the profile information or the LinkedIn profile information of the leads as per the filter criteria, search criteria. And once we get it, we will be adding to the database, that is Google Sheet here. Here you can see this is the structure of our database for this purpose. Here we are adding the profile data, the lead details, enriching it, and also changing the statuses based on the actions done by the AI agent in each days. And coming back here, and here the next one is lead database searching scenario. So every day the AI agent search in the Google Sheet using this lead database tool, and it will fetch the leads for each day: day 0, day 1, day 3. In each of these days the actions are different, that I'll tell you later. And the next one, once we got all the details to the agent, main agent, now on the leads that is associated with day 0, those actions will be done by the tool name day 0 profile visit and tracking. So on day 0, the AI agent trigger the profile visit of the LinkedIn profile visit for such leads, and we'll be adding some more information to the Google Sheet. And in the day 1, we will be do a content engagement. That means we will visit the profile's latest post and do some comments and some reactions on the post. And on the 3rd day, we will be sending the connection request finally, and a message followed by that. So that's the overall idea. Now let's go deep into the AI agent. So this is our main agent. Let me open that. Yeah, that's it. So here you can see this is our agent. We have connected all the 5 tools with it. And in this video, I'm not gonna explain the AI agent basic setup, nothing. So we have done a detailed video that I'll add in the I button, so you can watch it from there. So here you can see the configuration of this particular agent here. Let it open. Yep, that's it. We have given identity, goal, rules, and timeline, everything. So the identity, you are an AI agent designed for LinkedIn lead generation automation. And the goal is to analyze lead data like profile URL, name, and lead added date, and execute the correct actions. That means the correct rule run according to the defined timeline. And here we can see the steps, action step, what you have to do in the first step, and in the second, in the day 0, what you have to do, day 1, day 3. So as I mentioned earlier, we have properly defined the actions for each day here under rules. And finally, we have given a time reference as well. So that's about it. And here you can see all the tools have been connected here. Now let's go to the tools details. So here is our first tool. So what we'll be doing, when the AI agent start running each day after, based on the schedule we have set up, it will look into the Google Sheet, which is our database. And if there is no proper leads available here for any particular action, then it will run the first scenario. This tool will scrape leads based on the search criteria. So this is the AP5 scraper. That the actor we have used in this AP5 actor is Apollo scraper. So here we are pasting the parameters for the body. Total records I am setting as 500, and the URL, this is the Apollo scraper URL. So you will get this URL simply by simply going to the Apollo. Here you can go to the people. Under people, you can set up the search criteria here, job title, country, and all. There's a lot of parameter. You can set it up based on your requirement. And finally, you will get a URL here. You can simply copy that, and you can come over here. Sorry, you can come over here to the scenario, and you can paste it here as the URL. So then when you run, the actor will be initiated in the Apify. Then when you run this, it will go for will give some delay to complete the run, and once done, we'll get the leads as the output of this get data set items module. And finally, we will push into the Google Sheet. We are doing the bulk update to the Google Sheet. So that's it. And now going to the second tool. This is the one. If you already have the enough leads in the Google Sheet, then this will be always the tool which is running as the first tool by the AI agent every day. The previous tool run only if there is no relevant leads in the Google Sheet. So that's it. Here we are searching the leads. Here you can see this is the searching criteria. If name exists and the profile exists and the date ad exists. So if all these parameters are exist for a particular lead in this Google Sheet, then only such leads will be fetched here. And here you can see one more parameter. Here we will get all the leads for day 0. That means that the leads added today. Then we will create an array using those leads. And that's it. Now here we are collecting the lead for the day 1. All the settings are same in this module, in the search row module. The only change here is the day we are changing. Here you can see add day +1. That means we will get the day 1 leads here that we are creating an array, and this is similarly for day 3. So that's it. Finally, all the day 0, day 1, and day 3 leads will be pushed back to the main AI agent. So that's it. Now go to the next tool, and this is day 0. So here is our action starts. On 0th day, for such leads, we'll pass the details like the URL, the LinkedIn URL of such leads, and this is the row number as well. There is the row number in the Google Sheet, and here we are setting up. We are splitting the URL and making it proper. And now we are passing to the Unipile. This is the tool that we are used for a profile visit and getting the further information. So here you can see this is the API endpoint. We are using Unipile. So if I talk more about Unipile, you can simply sign up to Unipile here. This is unipile.com is the website, and you can log in. Once you logged in, you have to connect to your LinkedIn account. You can simply click on connect, and you can choose your LinkedIn and give the LinkedIn credentials. So it will be connected. I already have one account connected. This is one of my secondary account just for testing and automation purpose that I have connected here. And now we got an account ID here, and this is the DSN. This is also required, and we have the access token that you can simply create here on generate a token, and you can copy and paste it here. So these are the parameters we need from Unipile. You can simply go here. You can see here the DSN you have to paste here, and the URL we have mapped from the sheet that we listed in the sheet here. And here we are passing the header. You are going with the get method, and under headers X API key, and we are passing the API key from Unipile here that I have shown here. You will get from here. So apart from that, and the account ID that we got from Unipile, again, that is the account ID. Here I'll show you. This is the account ID. And finally, yeah, all the parameters from Unipile we have added here already. Now we have to enable one more parameter, notify true. That means the profile visitor should know, the visitor profile owner should notify, that should get a notification that someone visited your profile, LinkedIn profile. So that's it. Once it is done, we will be updating the Google Sheet like this. Here you can see we will get the name and the provider ID and the headlines of the profile as an output of this module. So that we'll be adding here. So that's it. And also we will update the status as profile visited. So by execution of this module, the profile will be considered as visited. So that's it. Now let's go to the day one scenario. So this is our day one tool. So all the leads with day one, that means added yesterday, will be fetched, will be moved to this day one tool by the AI agent. And here you can see the tool input. It is provider ID that we have collected and added in Google Sheet in the previous tool. Yep, and the raw number, that's all. So once we got that, again we are going with list all posts by Unipile. We are going to Unipile's this particular API endpoint. Again, here we are passing the provider ID, and all the other settings like API key and everything is same only. And by running of this module, we will get all the posts listed here from the particular LinkedIn profile. Here we have two routes. The first route proceed for the post that we can send a reaction. I mean, we can do react and we can do a comment as well for such posts. But in some post in LinkedIn, we can do only the reaction. We cannot do comments. Maybe the user disabled the comment facility. So that's why. So for such posts, we'll go through this route only. So that's it. Again for reaction, we are going with Unipile, and we are passing the API key and the account ID and the post ID. The post ID will get as an output of this list all post module, and the account ID is our account ID that I have shown you. Now we are generating the comment to be posted for that particular post. For that, we are passing the post content to the GPT. We are using 4.1 mini version. It's just for a demo purpose. That's why. So, and here under role as a developer system, we are passing the detailed prompt and what's the purpose and what type of comment we want. Everything we are giving here. So we will get a proper comment for that particular post that will be pasted here under that particular post. For that as well, we are using the Unipile only. This is the endpoint. All this you can see in the documentation of Unipile. Here you can see this is the documentation. So that's it. And yeah, here you can see we are passing the comment here from the output of GPT module. So that's it. Once it is done, we will be updating the Google Sheet. Here you can see we are updating the status as reaction sent and the comment sent, and post content also. We are the latest post content also we are pasting here for future purposes, I mean references. So that's it. This is the purpose of the day one tool. Now let's go to the day three. So now we have as of now we have visited the profile, and we have reacted to the latest post, and we have commented for the latest post. Now that on the third day we have to do the connection request. As I said, they are no more a stranger to you because they are familiar with your name, because you are visiting the profile, you are commenting, you are reacting. So now your name is very familiar to them. Now the request acceptance possibility is very high. So here in this third module, in the third tool, here you can see, here we are passing the provider ID again, the LinkedIn provider ID and the raw number of the Google Sheet. Here we are searching in the lead base using the provider ID, and we are getting all the day 3 leads here. And here we are creating an personalized invitation note. That is very important when we send connection request. It is the chances of acceptance is very high. And here we are, you can see, here we are passing the profile headlines and the latest post content and all. So using these inputs, GPT can easily create a very personalized connection note. Here you can see the prompt for the same. So that's it. Now we are sending the connection request. Again, we are using Unipile's API endpoint for the same. And here this is the content, the request content, the provider ID. We have to pass the provider ID and the message. This is the connection request message. And now we are sending a chat as well, I mean a message as well we are sending after sending the connection request to increase the possibility for connection acceptance. So here again we are using the Unipile's API endpoint, chats endpoint for the same. And here we are passing the content. This is the text content. Hi, we are mapping the name, and we are giving a message. This also we can use AI generated dynamic content here. And here we are passing the field type and the value as classic, and we are enabling the in-mail here by giving the key as in-mail and value as true. And here we are passing the attendees ID here, that is the provider ID. So that's it. Once it is done, we are again updating the Google Sheet. Here you can see the value, the connection status sent. We are changing the connection status as sent. So that's it. Now it is time to run this AI agent and see the result. So let's run the scenario. Before that, let me show the Google Sheet. So for demo purpose, I have added a couple of leads here. The first one is already processed. You can see profile visited, everything is green. That means it has been done, all the processing. We have reaction sent, comment sent, connection status and everything. And now I have added my profile Mohammed Fazil here for showing a demo. So that's it. I have added my LinkedIn profile as well here. So all this will be done by the first API scraper bot in the real scenario. Here I have added this LinkedIn URL manually, and I have added the date of today, that is 25th of October, 25th of September 2025, and the profile not visited. This is the first status, and when we add a new lead, this will be the default status, profile not visited. Now let me run the bot, and before that I have another account. This is my secondary account just for automation purpose. This one I have added in Unipile. So in the end, the result will be showing this Declan Fido visited the profile of Mohammed Fasil that we can see here. So let's see. Yeah, now let me run. It started running. Since there is already leads in the database, the first scenario running will be this lead database. Here you can see it is already executed here. You can see the result. It is collected the lead 0 data and created a array, and it's sent back to the main agent. Now the day 0 scenario should be run. Here you can see the current run history, and it has visited the profile and updated the Google Sheet. Here you can see the profile visited, and now let's check whether it is came or not. And by the way, even in the real case, if you try to visit an account manually, it may take some time, and sometimes the LinkedIn didn't show in the notification even if it is visited. So always the notification for visiting will not come. Even in manual case, it will not come. So that's why it's not populating immediately. So maybe after 10 or 5 minutes, it will come here. Anyway, let's go to the next step. Now we have to do the second day action. So for that purpose, I'm just changing the date to yesterday. Now this is past 1 day already because today is 25th September. Now let me run the scenario again. So now it should run the lead database, and after that it will go to the day 1. Let me see the day 1 scenario. Yeah, here you can see it's run now. Let me see. I should do a comment. Let me check my profile. Yeah, here you can see Declan Fido commented on the post. Let me check the comment as well. Here you can see. Yeah, looking forward to innovate discussion at Wave 2025. It was a post for Waves 2025 I have put a few days back. So that's my last post. So great, right? So now this Declan Fido is in my mind. I'm familiar with this name. And now for the day 3, let's see for the connection request. Let us change the date to 2 days back. This 22nd. Now let me run the agent. Yes, I'm running. So it should run this day 3 scenario. So here you can see the third day scenario has been completed. Here it is sent the connection request. Now let's check the LinkedIn. Now here you can see the connection request we have sent from the Declan Fiado. So that's about it. So I hope you understood my explanation well. Now it is your turn to try this out. With this AI agent, you can get consistent LinkedIn leads flowing into a pipeline 24/7 without lifting a finger. Subscribe for more AI automations.